Getting in and out of a big truck every day isn't the easiest thing, so AMP Research has the solution with their motorized hideaway steps. First, remove your current side steps if your truck has them. Unbolting a few bolts on each side will do the trick, then lift them up and off the truck. To set up the new support braces, screw the motor onto 2 of the 4 supports. Now add in the supplied screws in the same locations as the stock mounting points in order to mount the new AMP support brackets. In our case, the motorized brackets were mounted in the rear of the truck. Once all 4 brackets are set in place, slide the tab in the running board over the bracket and screw it in with the supplied Allen screw. Now to address the wiring, lay out the wire harness in the engine bay and secure the control module where you see fit. We then routed the driver's side of the harness up and into the cowl to hide it from view, and then we dropped it down the side of the truck. Once both sides of the harness are down, they can be zip tied up along the side of the truck. Then plug in the connection to the motor itself. Now that the harness is secured, the 4 puddle lights can be wired to the harness. Once wired, clean the underside of the truck and stick them to the body. There is minimal wiring that needs to be completed inside the passenger side kick panel. Feed the wire harness up through a hole in the body and find the correct wires to wire the steps to per AMP's instructions. After replacing the kick paneling, the last thing to do is to wire it up to the battery and install the fuse. Then the install is finished.